it's Miss Tammy with my St. Patrick's Day headband because St. Patrick's Day is next week, so it's going to be exciting and we're going to have fun. Today in our video, we're going to talk about graphing / pictographs. It's really fun. It works on counting and coloring and all that fun stuff. So, what you're going to need is a worksheet, which is on the Weebly page, and some crayons or colored pencils or markers or whatever, just something to color with. So what you're first gonna do is get one of your paper and help your child write their name on the top. So same thing, you can hold, if they can't do it themselves, let them try, let them scribble, and then hold their hand and write their name. So I'm going to write Tammy, right? Just practice writing the name. As they write it, help them spell their name if they can't. So Tammy. If your child's name is John, you would do John. So we have our name on the top of the paper. Okay, then we're all set. Next thing we're going to do is get a crayon out. I'm going to get orange because it's my favorite color. And we're going to find one fish or something that we like, one of the pictures that we like, and we're going to count how many. So we're going to do fish, and we're going to get our orange crayon, whatever color you have. Well, let me hold it up. Okay, and then you're going to help your child color in all of the fish and count them as you go. So here's one. And you can even write one if you want. One. So I don't know if you can see that. One. Okay, is this a fish? No, that's not a fish. Is this bumblebee a fish? No, bumblebees aren't fish. Is this a fish? Yes, it's a fish. So let's color it in. Okay, that's two. Oh, I can't see this yet. So we have 1, 2. Okay, here's another fish. Let's color that in. So we're going to color it, and it's 3, because when we count, we go 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's find another fish. Is this a fish? No, that's not a fish. Is this a fish? No, that's a ladybug. Oh, I found a fish. Let's color it in. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's count. Oh, there's one more fish. So let's color it in. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 fish. Okay, now we're going to come down here and find our fish. We have our fish right here. We can color it. And then we had 5 fish up here, so we're going to count up and do color 5 boxes. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 fish. And look, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you touch the number 5? And have your child touch the number 5. Okay, now you're going to get a new color of crayon, or whatever color, whatever you have. We're going to do purple. Okay, and then let's look down here. And the first one is a bumblebee. We're going to color the bumblebee, and we're going to look up here and find a bumblebee with our purple crayon, our purple colored pencil, whatever. So let's count. Is that a bee? No, that's not a bumblebee, and you can match. Here's what a bumblebee looks like. Look, they are the same, and this is same in sign language, same or different. But look, bumblebee. Let's color it in. There was one. Okay, let's find another bumblebee. Can you find another one that looks like a bumblebee that's the same? Is this one? No. Look, here's a bumblebee. We gotta color it. So let's count. We have 1, 2. We had 2. Can't really see the bottom. I was looking at 1. Okay, so we have a bumblebee. Now we have to color in 2 squares. So look, 1, 2, the number 2. Let's color in 1, 2 squares. Make it a little darker so you guys can see. Okay, now we need another crayon. Let's do green. Green. And if you're working on colors, you can help your child spell green. Green. Or you can find green things. My shirt is green. My headband is green. You can find things around, incorporate as much as you can. Okay, we're going to look for ants. You see this ant? Let's color it green. And same thing with writing your name. If your child can't hold a pencil correctly or can't color, you can put their hand over, and help them. If they can, let them do it by themselves, more independence. It will help inspire them, motivate them to do more. Okay, let's find some ants. Is this an ant? No. Is this an ant? Yes, we found an ant. There was one. There's no more ants. Going the wrong way. So let's color in 1. Okay, we found number 1. Here's number 1. Okay, now we need another crayon. One more. And if they're being kind of squirrely, you can say, okay, should we do blue or red? And you can let them choose. I'm going to do red because it's a ladybug, and ladybugs are red. So here's our ladybug. Here's our color red, R-E-D. Now let's find some ladybugs. Okay, look, here's one. There's one. Okay, and I see there's some more over here. There's 2 and 3. So here's 1, 2, 3. We colored our graph. And look, over here's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now at this point, you can be done. Or if your child is still ready to work, you can talk about which one has the most and which one has the least. So you could get a black pen or something, another color, and say, okay, which one has the most? That means the line that's the tallest. And if we look at it, look, the orange line is taller than the purple line, so we know that one's not the most. The green line, the ants, are smaller than the orange one, so the orange one has the most so far. Let's see if the orange one has more than the red one. Yes, it does. Look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orange ones and 3 red ones. So there's 2 more orange ones than the red one. So we're going to draw a circle around the orange because it has the most. Okay, here's our circle. Okay, now we're going to draw a triangle. Do you guys remember what a triangle looks like? It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 sides on a triangle. Okay, so we have to find the one that has the least, the smallest one. So we know that it's not the orange one because the orange one has the most. Let's see. There's 2 purple ones. Let's see how many green ones. There's 1. So if we draw it with our finger, look, there's purple and green. Purple. There's not a green one. So we know there are more purple ones than there are green. Okay, so let's do the red. We have red, green. Oh, okay, well, there's the same red, red. There's no green. So we know that the green one has the least amount. And we're going to draw a triangle. My crayon's not working. On that one because it has the least. And you can pick any shape. You can also have them write most or least. It's up to you. But here's a quick graphing. Oh wow, the light. Here's a quick graphing tip for you. And on the website, there's also some more graphing pages. So dig in and have fun graphing and have a great St. Patrick's Day. Bye, guys.